Hey guys, Tiffany here with High Seas Cruising with another episode of Tips from Tiffany. So today I wanted to talk a little bit about sunscreen and aloe vera. I know I talked a little bit about it when I did my packing video about making sure that you had sunscreen and aloe vera. But today I just wanted to cover it a little bit more, with it being the beginning of summer and everything. Just make sure that you pack your sunscreen. Also, you might want to make sure that your sunscreen is reef or coral safe. We found the Walmart brand is coral safe, but we've also got a lotion that is coral safe from Australia. Found that at Walmart as well. You also want to make sure that you have your aloe vera in case you do get sunburnt. Now, definitely if you are sunburn prone, definitely make sure that you're putting your sunscreen on several times a day. If you need to, set a timer or an alarm so that you can make sure that you reapply. Make sure that you reapply with your kids. Being out on the water, that sun can just beat down on you, and with the cool breeze, you don't even realize that you're getting sunburnt. And you don't want to get sunburnt on the first part of your trip and then be stuck miserable the rest of your trip. So also make sure that you pack that aloe vera. That way, if you do get sunburnt, you have some relief. You don't want to purchase that on the ship. They can charge sometimes twice what you would pay at Walmart or Walgreens or CVS. Something else that you might consider too, if you are doing excursions and spending a lot of time in the pool, take more than one swimsuit. I don't know about y'all, but I do not like putting on a cold, wet swimsuit. And they just don't seem to have time to dry once you've worn it the first day, and you hang it up on the line in the bathroom, in the shower. They just don't seem to dry. You can also get the magnetic hooks. You can order those from Amazon, or you can get those at Walmart, magnetic hooks. On the last cruise we went on, I was actually putting our stuff outside on the balcony, but I was afraid it was going to blow away once the ship actually started moving. But you can get the metal magnetic hooks and hang those. That way when you're trying to use the shower, you're not wadding it up, throwing it in the sink, forgetting to put it back on that line. But you can use those magnetic hooks to hang your swimsuits, your cover-ups, your towels. That way they're out of the way and they are hanging up so that they can dry. But definitely take more than one swimsuit. Make sure you pack your sunscreen. Make sure you pack your aloe vera as well. You might also consider, since you've packed all that, your swim shoes. Doing the excursions, sometimes it's easier to just throw the swim shoes on. I don't know about y'all, but I have a hard time with flip-flops on the deck. I feel like I'm sliding or I'm going to fall. So just wearing the swim shoes out on the deck or on your excursions may be a little bit easier than the flip-flops. So I hope you have enjoyed this tip this week. If you have, give it a thumbs up. Like I said, if there's any tips that you would like to see, definitely put those in the comments and we will be glad to research those, come up with some answers for you. In the meantime, I hope y'all have a happy and safe 4th of July. And as always, we will see you out on the high seas.